to my channel. Welcome back to another video, and thank you for subscribing, because I'm sure you have subscribed. And if you like this video that I'm about to share with you guys, ensure that you hit that like button and also go watch my other videos. Yeah, so if you have clicked the link on this video, then you know that I'm talking about revamping my life, revamping my routine, and that seems to be the trend all around. And I really truly believe that the universe is just speaking to all of us right now, that we really need to get it together. And just throughout this whole situation that's happening in the world right now, I believe that it's truly within reason why we're all kind of searching and trying to revamp our mornings and trying to get it together. I've been trying to get it together for almost 2 years now. And you know what? I'm not gonna be hard on myself. Nothing is like normal anymore. And I'm just trying to find my new normal. So with that being said, I am here to talk to you about how I'm gonna go about doing that and just share with you guys and give any tips and any type of information that would help you, because sharing is caring. So one of the things that I have made myself sit down and look at is my morning routine. I do have a video about my gratitude morning, and it's very similar, but your girl, you know, things got a little hectic and my kids went back to school and here I am again. So I had to look at my morning routine and start to say, okay, what does this need to look like? And for me, and everybody's different, and I also have a full-time job, so I need to work on how I'm gonna fit in what will help me be the best person possible that day. And I need to look at the time frame that I need to wake up. So I need to wake up at 5 a.m. So getting up at 5 a.m. will really help me. And for you, that could be any time. Just how much time do you need to do the things that will make you a better person or push along your purpose or whatever it is that you want to accomplish? What does that look like? What time do you need to wake up? What do you need to do before you clock in if you are a person that has another job? And even if you're an entrepreneur, you still need that personal time in the morning. So how much time do you need? So I wake up at 5 a.m. and I would like to have my prayer time in the morning. And because I'm still trying to wake up at 5 a.m., have a prayer time, plus go to the gym, for now, what I've been doing is when I'm in the gym, I am listening to my worship music. I'm praying while I'm on the treadmill. And because I feel like, you know, I'm still alone, I'm not really speaking to anybody at this point in time, and I can still have that one-on-one with God. So I do that and I incorporate those two. So early morning prayer time, devotion time, and then working out. And then after I work out, I come home and I jump in the shower and just kind of start getting myself together with that shower. And then I will continue on with my skincare routine. And my skincare routine, guys, that is so important to me. It is a must, especially with your skin. You're getting up there in age, it's so important. And this is a priority for me. Then I will make my way downstairs to fuel my body. I as you saw, I worked out, so I don't eat a huge meal in the morning, but what I like to do is try to have a shake. As I told you before, I am a coach, so one of the products that I like to use is a superfood shake, not necessarily a protein shake, so I'll have that in the morning just to fuel my body and ensure that I'm giving my body the proper nutrients. And yeah, because I've had that workout, so it's super important that I get this in. holds me over until I am going to be eating my next meal, which will obviously be bigger. And with that, I also make myself either a cup of tea or coffee when I go upstairs to start my day. Candle lighting is also huge for me. Scent, inspiring scent. So I like to light my candle when I'm going to sit down and read and journal and do all that good stuff in the morning. And just gives me that atmosphere that I really love. Then I do my affirmations. So I have this amazing product by Love Powered. It's a Canadian company. They have affirmation cards. I highly recommend these. Just gives you kind of a resource to just pick from and get an affirmation for the day. And I will sit down, and next I want to really incorporate my reading time. Reading is super important, as we all know, and making time for that and structuring yourself to getting in that reading time, I believe, is so important, especially if you can do it at the top of your day so that you are filling your mind with what's important to you before the world starts to fill your mind with things that are not important to you. So reading time is something that I have incorporated in my morning time. And then with reading, then I'll do journaling afterwards, just to reflect on my thoughts, what came to my mind as I was reading, as I was working out, as I was praying. So I'll do my journal time. And journaling is something that I have struggled with for so long. I have this rebel personality, and I really want to create a structure in my life that I can stick to these things, because I really love doing them. But my commitment level to myself, if I can be transparent with you guys, I battle with that. So I feel like, let me try at this again and get my journaling in. And it was an amazing experience. Even this morning when I was journaling, it's just, so eye-opening. And my question that I asked myself is, if you committed to the things that you want to a structure, how would your life change? And I just was like, wow, it would change in so many ways. It would help my children, my marriage. It would help so many things if I just stuck to what it is that I need to do to excel, to move forward, to get better, to do more. So journaling. And then I look at my planner, my schedule, and pick out my to-dos. And I do not go over 3 to-dos for the day, because I have tried to-do lists that are long. I don't finish them, and then I go into this moment of feeling so bad about myself. So 3 to-dos, 3 things that you can do in the day, and baby steps. So that's what I have incorporated for now in the morning, and it feels amazing. It feels great. I feel so much better. I just have more get up and go. I have more purpose. I have more spunk. I have more direction. I feel like I've achieved something just to kind of put these things in place in the morning. And then after I'm done all of that, I will go and I will get ready, make myself feel good. So making it because I work from home, so it's so easy to just throw on anything, or even not take that shower right away after I work out and kind of just stay in those clothes and tell myself, maybe I'll work out again, and I don't, right? So getting that time in to freshen up and look and feel your best and put yourself together. And this particular day, I'm off work, so I was able to get some content in and just look and feel good. And it felt amazing. I feel like on cloud 9. As well as all of those aspects, I'm also working on my eating plan. I follow a very amazing health and fitness plan. I'm actually a coach for Beachbody. So just revisiting the meal plans. There's 2 options. I'm going with the portion fix. So just sitting down and going through the list of food items and ensuring that I have the correct servings and making my own meals and just sticking to that plan, whether it be that you're intermittent fasting, that they have that, or that you're eating every 2 to 3 hours and whatever time you work out, and just eating around that to ensure that you're nourishing your body the best way possible. That is also something that I am doing to make sure that I end this year feeling a lot more accomplished and forgetting the other months that I have been scrambling and, falling short, whatever that feeling is for you. Just forgetting about that and moving forward. There's still like 80 days left in this year, and there's so much you can do and accomplish. So I've decided to just level it up, get going, and put some things in place so that I can end this year knowing that I did what I could and feel proud of that, and also see the fruit of that, right? A lot of the times we want things to happen in our life, but we don't take the steps to ensure that they happen. And you gotta take the steps for these things to happen. So I hope that this video inspires somebody and helps somebody out there. Join along with me in just revamping your schedule and revamping what you're gonna do for yourself in the morning to ensure that you have a successful day. Day by day, we need to do this. Don't think about week by week, month by month, but daily. What can you do daily to ensure that you're hitting all of your marks and just ensuring that you are positioning yourself for blessing, positioning yourself to receive, positioning yourself to be able to be prepared for all the things that you are going after. All right? So yes, let's do this. Let me know below what you're working on. Let me know below if you have any areas that you want to share about revamping or feeling like it's time to just get up, get going. Comment down below and just write leveling up. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.